Well, hi everybody, it's Doug. So today you are first looking at some of the acquisitions in my recent search. I'm working on becoming the Where's Waldo champion of purchasing old locks. I found another box of rusty old keys and locks, and Chris Capune and I did a split on it. We're still choosing up on what we want, but I've already started with these. And what I'm going to be doing in a series is starting to clean these up, showing you the before and after on these, and picking where appropriate. Some of these are warded locks, so the warded keyway, it opens pretty easily. We'll still deal with those, but we'll also be looking at a lot of pin tumblers. This cute little Yale, a tiny version of the one that you've seen me already working with. Today we are going to start with this gorgeous Ilco. It's marked US, so I'm assuming it was military. And this one is pin tumbler. I already did pick it open in order to make it more accessible for cleaning. It is key retaining, and it has basically dark garbage on the outside. So while some of these I'm going to try to retain the patina where possible. This one I plan to bring back to beautiful shiny brass, so we'll be able to see that. Also, I thought it was funny. Somebody looks like they tried to drill, but really never knew what was necessary to drill a lock. It made me laugh because I pictured it's the equivalent of shooting off a cowboy's hat, hoping he's going to die. So, anyways, we're going to take this one down to the workbench. I won't bother you with the details of the cleaning, but I will bring you back and show you the finished result. So let me hold this still, and I will fade through the magic of video to the finished result. And there is the after. Beautiful results. This, like I said, was probably in military service because it has the US on it, and cleaned up really nicely. I did not do anything about the bullet hole, so there it is though, and it is ready for a good pick. This is key retaining, so we're going to have to hold the shackle down. The spring on that is still a little sticky, but hold the shackle down while we seemingly remove the key. Oops. Trying to do this through the camera, and it's not smart. All right, and let's get this into the vise. Get you guys a slightly better view. Alrighty. This one has some very sharp spools, definitely. And let me get that vise suctioned down so it doesn't slip away on us. And we'll watch for some false sets as we get going, because there are spools and more spools. Now, actually, just bumping pin 1, I already got that bit of a false set, but let's go a little deeper in. So pin 1 just snapped a little as I went in. Now we're into the hip of the spool. Pin 2, there goes nice snap and a nice false set. Ooh, even deeper false set when I touched 3. So a lot of these are very, very sharp spools. Now that I've cleaned out the gunk from the inside, it is very, very sharp and snappy, where before you kind of eased past the spools. 3 wants to counter, but I think there's something else in the way. 4. It was 5. So 5 really wants to set. I think, nope. Okay, getting past the edge of that spool is tricky. I'm going to go back to 1, see what's going on up front. Okay, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 is waiting, okay. So it appears we lost our false set, but I think I managed to just tweak the tension enough to finish things off. If not, we'll just do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Okay, yeah, that's 5. It's just trying to get past that false, the top of that last spool. Fighting me. Okay, I may be past it. Let's try it again. Okay, I think that was it. I heard a nice loud snap. Back to 1, I got a snap. 2, and there we get a false set. So I just got 2 over into its spool. 3, 4. Everybody else is happy. 1 is set. 2, nothing. 3, counter. Okay, just got past that spool on 3. And we have our open. Zoom back for you. And there we go. Our U.S. Ilco from the 1930s. Beautiful lock. Hey, thank you all for joining us. I really appreciate your subscribing to the channel. I appreciate you coming along to take a look at what we've got to say. I would love to hear your comments. I try to answer every comment that I get along the way. And if you like the video, please do give the thumbs up. That thumbs up helps people find the video in the future. But most importantly, thank you to my existing subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that now, because there's lots of fun videos coming up, including all those old locks that you saw at the beginning of the video. We'll be cleaning them up and picking them. Thank you, everybody. Take care.